In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design Let's Save the World Together infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to icon and we will hands, yes it is. Insert, bring this icon to the slide, drag it with the by holding Alt Shift and convert it to shape. Delete the four hands and Shift Alt. By holding Shift Alt we will drag the shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, we will give it some green color. Yes it is. Shape fill, go to green color. Yes. Insert icon, we will bring more icon, some icon, this one and this one and this one. Yes, and insert. Okay, this one. Oh, yes, convert to shape and by holding Shift Alt and drag, rotate all shape, Shift Alt and drag and fix it here. Yes, there, I think so it is okay. No, Control Z to back, Shift align very carefully. Yes, go union and we will give it some green color. Control D to duplicate it, rotate. Control D to duplicate it, place and place here. Control D to duplicate it and rotate. Yes, it's okay. I think it's okay for now. I have some written text to save the time, so I will copy that text here and place here. Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Oh, sorry. Okay, we will give it white color to the text. Okay, white color, give it white color. Okay, we will delete another two and Control D to duplicate it. Oh, sorry. Yes, it's okay. We will put some icon in every shape. Here is the icon. Go to graphic fill and give it some white color. We will go to format background and shadow effect. This shadow effect will be okay. Transparency maybe, and blur 22 is okay. Go to icon and bring some more icon, just like home, school, homes, apartment, school, etc. And as well as some icon and handshake, some safe. Yes, it is okay. Now we will use these icon in this design. Put the icon here and it will go here. Yes, it will go here, and this icon will go here. White color, we will drag it by holding shift, by holding alt shift. We will put here some, yes, okay, give it some different color. I think so it is okay. Yes, nature friendly icons, we will bring some, I think, butterfly. Yes, bring this one also, and world. Yes, this is, and insert. Okay, this is Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it, make it a little bit smaller. Yes, we will Control D to duplicate it, give it some different color. I think so green will be okay, and to the butterfly we will give more colors. Okay, convert to shape. I think so we will delete convert to shape, and may drag it by holding shift and alt and send to back. Yes, we will reduce the transparency. Okay, and give it some other color. I think so it is okay. Okay, and go to insert text. Oh, caps lock. Let's caps lock. Let's save the word. Let's okay, let's save the word. Together we'll go to Franklin Gothic. I think so heavy will be okay. Yes, gonna enter, make it little bit okay. Go to insert, take a rectangle and select all, go to fragment, and now we will delete the extra part of the words. Yes, make a shape outline, make it no outline, and Control G to group it, place it here. I think it's okay. Control G to group it, make it little bit smaller. I think so it's okay. The world. Okay, Control G to group it and make it a little bit bigger than previous one. Delete O and place the world icon in the center. Make it a little bit bigger. Yes. It's okay now. And select to all, go to shape format and fill. We'll give it some green color, and that's all. Thank you.